How to merge cells in table in Microsoft Word. If you look at this first table, you can see that the first row has the cells that make it up merged. That's why it appears as one unit. So you may have a table like this and you want to merge the cells. That's the second one. So I will guide you on how you can do that. Okay. Click the first cell. Select all the cells you want to merge. You can see some commands that show up at the bottom part. Select Merge Cells. As you can see, these cells have been merged. Alternatively, there's another way you can do that. Select all the cells you want to merge. Click on the Layout. This layout tab will be activated. Okay? Then select Merge Cells. And you are good to go. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.